Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Point Blank with Danielle. Point Blank is a series where it doesn't really call for a whole full-fledged video, but I do have those kind of full-length, really where we get into it videos here on this channel. So if you are not subscribed and this is your first time stumbling across this channel, go ahead, take a look at what we got. Subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and enjoy. I upload Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and then these point blank videos are scattered in sporadically. So I have a chart that I put up on Instagram. There's also one on my blog that you can pin to Pinterest, that you can also print out. And this chart lists the steps that you go in for your skincare routine. A lot of people found it very, very useful because, you know, sometimes skincare is not always intuitive. Sometimes you get a little overwhelmed. So I'm glad that people love that. But out of that list, of course, came additional questions, and people wanted to know, okay, I've got 2 serums. How do I use them? Can I layer them? What do I need to do? Help me, please. So here I am. So the first way would be to alternate. So I have a vitamin C serum and a retinol serum that I use in my skincare routine. I use the vitamin C during the day, which I like to use because vitamin C is great for fighting the free radicals and environmental damage. Then I use a retinol serum at night. Now at night the skin goes through a repair process, and you know, it's helping to renew the skin, and the nighttime is such a great time for me to use my retinol serum to help in that process as well. So I use my vitamin C during the day and my retinol serum at night. Another way to alternate your serums is maybe, you know, you use serum A Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and then you use serum B Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Hopefully I touched on all the days of the week. So you might want to alternate from, you know, the different days. Maybe there's some serums that you only want to use maybe 2 or 3 times a week, and then you use your regular serum. So those are ways in which you would alternate. So the second way to layer your serum is to use the one that you want to get the most benefit from first, and then use the second one. So for instance, say you have a hydrating serum and then you have a vitamin C serum. You might use the hydrating serum first and then use the vitamin C serum after that. That's one way in which you would layer. Now, there are certain active ingredients that you may not want to mix together or use together so closely on the skin. For some skin types, you might be able to tolerate it, but for others, why even chance it? So I will link to an article that tells you about, you know, certain active ingredients that you don't want to mix in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Now, the third way of layering your serum is not technically layering. It is, but you're kind of letting the manufacturer do it, is to kind of look for serums that have multi-functions. So there are serums that can do more than one thing. So for instance, my vitamin C serum also hydrates, so that kind of covers 2 steps in one. So another way of layering your skincare is to kind of finding the serums that do multiple things. And there are a lot of serums out there on the market that cover more than one skincare concern, so check those out. Now it's your turn to do the talking. Let me know, how do you layer your serums in your skincare routine? Which serums are you using? Let us know in the comments. Let's get all chitty chatty. Talk to thy neighbor in the comments. As for me, follow me on social. The links will be in the description box. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, because did you know you could be watching this channel and watching this channel and watching this channel and not even know that you're subscribed? So make sure you are subscribed and turn on your notifications so you know when a new upload comes up. I upload on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but notifications are a good thing because it's kind of like a hello, here I am kind of thing. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.